that connection is just tacked on. Would have been bad to lose steering while driving. And before I can start building the floor of the loader, I have to install the brake pedal. I have to get the pump from the parts car. Well, that's the part we need. Okay, I'll try to be fast. The mosquitoes are really hungry, bro. Well, it's off, and the mosquitoes didn't really get me yet, so all is... Oh, yeah, I bought another purple car. I printed these hose clamps on my 3D printer and I designed them myself. So, and these are just simple PLA. Let's see how long they will last. I can attach this with an 8mm bolt. These are simple M6 nuts. Then I'm gonna install the upper cap. Should have gotten 5mm longer bolts. I have to push on the... But it locks, and okay, the reservoir needs to be horizontal, so I can't do that. The other way would be placing it under the floor and having some sort of push rod system. So I'm cutting the brackets for the brake booster to attach it on the left side, and then I'll have some linkage pushing this rod. We'll see how it goes. Just gonna cut this shorter. Okay, I'm improvising the brake pedal here, so this will be the hinge, and I'm just gonna cut it to a decent height. see if this... That's the brake pedal. Just some silicone sealant. Just welding on another holder for the cable. The clutch feels a lot lighter now, and yeah, this was necessary. Okay, now I will have to order some adapters and new brake hoses, and I believe, yeah, this is M12 times 1 and adapters to go to the 5mm copper, and then the other ends of the copper must be M10s. I will add some reinforcements to the booster.